Welcome, my name is Darius, and today we will say a miraculous prayer to change your life. Watch this entire video and stand in faith with me as I pray with you.
You are going to manifest money and abundance to the extent that you love and value yourself. Feel that you deserve and that you can choose what you want for your life. By becoming aware of this, affirm. Opening prayer. I am worthy of everything good and wonderful that life has for me. I humbly accept my Father's heavenly gifts. And I am open to receiving and giving the best of myself every day. Starting today, you will know the power of these words that you have to repeat as many times as you can. I deserve. I choose. I invite you to carry out this exercise. Take possession of what belongs to you by divine right. It is waiting for you. Through these affirmations, you will connect with your prosperity and abundance. Do these affirmations whenever you can, when you wake up and before you go to sleep. But you must be constant so that they help you connect with the greatest wealth that the universe has reserved for you. Let's begin. Imagine a lot of money coming your way. Now repeat these affirmations, and make them your own, so that you can keep them throughout the day and throughout your life. I deserve to live comfortably and prosper. I deserve everything good. I deserve love, an abundance of love. I deserve to have good health. I choose what I want to manifest in my life. I choose my thoughts carefully. I choose to be happy. I am becoming all that I was created to be. I choose balance, harmony and peace. I am worthy of everything good and wonderful that life has for me. I am open to receiving and giving the best of myself every day. I enjoy total freedom. I claim and affirm my good. I inspire the fullness and richness of life. My wealth has no limits. I trust the process of life. Now you feel more prosperous and you know that abundance is coming to you. And that makes you feel great. I wish you success and abundance. Type I deserve it if you agree. Watch this important message right now.